Hey everyone, Kevin here. I just wanted to share with you how much money I just lost because of Elon Musk's tweet storm. You know, as of 2 days ago, things were going really good, okay? Elon, made some funny remarks on his earnings call. He's like, hey, give people their freedom back. The lockdown's fascist. And, we're all kind of like, all right, we get it. He's upset. The Fremont Gigafactory shut down. He tries to reopen it, but California won't let him go back to work. All right, the guy's frustrated. But, then the stock was up like 8% after hours. It's almost at $900. And it's like, yeah, we're celebrating. We're popping champagne. Everything's going just great. In fact, these were the tweets from April 30th. This is the normal stuff you want. Elon Musk retweeted, Vincent, Tesla reached 1,000 solar roof production in a single week. This is the kind of stuff where you go, that's right, I'm buying more stock. Yeah, popping the champagne, buying more Tesla shares. Well, then you scroll up a little bit, and then you got, oh, what's this? Oh, this looks kind of cool. Okay, all right, why? Our launch of the NASA and SpaceX Demo 2 mission is essential. Wonderful. Thank you, Jim, and thank you, Elon, for retweeting this. This is the kind of stuff that makes me a confident, sophisticated investor. And when I say that, I mean a dude that you don't even know if he's wearing pants, sitting in the same office every day, talking to a camera all by himself, with CNBC way too high up at the ceiling over here that makes it hard for me to not have neck and throat pain. But anyway, let's now talk about the real pain in my day. Scrolling up, 2 hours ago, Tesla stock price is too high, IMO. Well, that's right about when Tesla shares almost instantly dropped 40 points down to about $722. But no, it wasn't just that, and I'm gonna show you my Tesla portfolio in a moment here, but it wasn't just that. It was, now give people back their freedom. Okay, all right, okay, Elon's just a little like, give people their freedom back. This is just back to the lockdown. We're just complaining about the lockdown. Okay, let's go back up. We're back up 10 points, okay. Woohoo, that was a close call. Oh no, then Elon has to go, oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? And the rockets' red glare, and the bombs bursting in air, to which the stock plummets. Down under 700, and now it's bouncing around, down almost 10% over Elon's tweet storm, and apparently this rage against the dying of the light of consciousness, and some stipulations of him selling all of his personal assets, and his girlfriend's mad at him, and yeah. Well, now I'm going to show you how much money that tweet storm cost me. The easiest thing to do is just go to my favorite stock trading platforms and do a quick little add up as far as how many Tesla shares I have, and then let's see what 10% of that damage looks like. So first candidate, M1 Finance. It looks like with M1 Finance, which by the way is one of my favorite platforms to buy stocks in, really good, right next to Webull. This one's a lot easier to use though, so I really like this. I got a link down below for you, but you using that link is gonna it's not even gonna put a dent in the losses today. So I got 390 shares here at M1 Finance. So let's just write that down onto a spreadsheet. Let's go on over to Robinhood now and see what Robinhood's doing. Robinhood's probably the second easiest platform to use. So it looks like over here we've got 49.5 shares. So for giggles, because I don't want to feel that bad, I'm just gonna say 49. We'll just round down a little bit to soften the pain, the loss. All right, it looks like in this TD Ameritrade account over here, I've got another 43 shares. Let's hop on over to Webull. Looks like at Webull, I've got 28 shares. Looks like at Chase U Invest, I've got 362 shares. So let's write that down. Okay, it looks like I have a total of 872 shares of Tesla. And if I multiply this by what the share price was this morning of about $780, and we'll make this a little currency here to make me feel worse. There we go, that looks better, $680,000. All right, let's go ahead and take off a 10% loss here for Elon Musk's tweets. Elon Musk's tweets just lost me $68,000. Well, folks, at this point you might wonder, what the heck am I doing? Because this sucks. This is like a really bad day. Maybe I should just sell and walk away with the cost basis I have of like $470 or something like that and just call it a day. Take some gains and just take money off the table, because obviously I'm playing roulette here with a madman who tweets and causes 10% losses like that. Well, that's not what I'm going to do. In fact, what I usually like to do is when I see these big red days or I see crazy drama happen, like lawsuits or things like Elon tweeting, which is probably just as bad as lawsuits since we all think he's gonna get sued by the SEC, I like to buy more. And I do that mostly because I think that I'm very bullish on this company for its future over the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. It's not a company I think is going to go bankrupt, even though Elon might be a madman. It's a company that I think is here to stay, and I think this will all make a funny cocktail story in 5 to 10 years. So I actually ended up buying some more shares today, and I kind of wish somebody would make a stock trading app where when I looked at it, I would see a green arrow if I had more shares acquired today than I had yesterday. So like if yesterday I had 800 shares and today I have 872, I'd see a big up arrow of like 9% more. Yay, you've got 9% more shares. Because it would take a lot of this painful psychology away of, oh my gosh, I lost 10% of my money from these tweets, but I still own many more shares. And if I keep buying now, great, tomorrow my share count is higher. And in the long run, in my opinion at least, that's what matters much more, because all these price fluctuations, they tend to level out for quality companies in the long run. And now, please feel free to barrage me with all the comments about how stupid my psychology is and how I should take my money and run, because I'm gonna stick to it because I believe it. And if you like my psychology, make sure to check out my programs and join me in the links below. I've got some amazing tricks for psychology and making sure you can expand your mind when it comes to making money in ways you never thought possible, like buying real estate below market value or tricking yourself to build your wealth. Also, you'll find right next to that a link for Webull where you can get 2 free stocks. So if you like that Webull platform I showed off to you as well, where I have some Tesla shares, make sure to grab that link down below, deposit $100. You get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400. And of course, get your quote for life insurance. Takes you 5 minutes and you can sign up on your phone. So protect your loved ones, protect your family, and get yourself some life insurance. It's surprisingly inexpensive. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.